Alright, we have a challenge here. I needed to clean up a filthy dirty baseball helmet and figured this is the perfect time to compare how good a job the magic eraser does versus baby wipes. So let's get right into it. The baby wipes do a pretty good job of taking up the surface level dust and dirt, but they're really not catching most of the stuck on grime and certainly not doing anything for the scuffs. Here's how that all ended up looking. It's okay. So now it's time for the magic eraser. These magic erasers have a mild abrasive on them, which lets them get a lot more of the stuck on stuff. It doesn't take a lot of elbow grease. I'm able to just barely apply any pressure and let the magic eraser do the work. It's taken off tons of grime and also doing a pretty good job at reaching into the scuffs and getting stuff out of there. There's a pretty significant difference between the two. This magic eraser side looks much nicer, much whiter than the baby wipes side. Just for kicks, let's rip off the tape and see how far we've come on both sides. What a difference. The magic eraser side is by far the clear winner. The baby wipes just didn't make enough of a difference. I'm already a fan of the magic erasers, and I hope after seeing what they do, you are too.